weird things. This forms part of a master's. It was incorporated. The master's is looking at the use of mulches, green and physical mulches and compost on woolly apple aphid, and Vion was keen to do an evaluation of apple rootstocks, and I volunteered. I don't know why, a moment of weakness. Anyway, let me get on with it. Okay, so the method is fairly easy. You let entomologists loose in your trial orchard with a spade. It's not a good idea. We dig a lot, but it's interesting. I now know why dwarfing rootstocks are dwarfing. They haven't got roots. So we sample. We are in the process of sampling the rootstock evaluation sites, 2 of them. Repeat summer and winter. I'll show you the winter results. You take the root sample, you wash it off, sugar flotation method, same that I fear is Renus's influence. Visual inspection of the roots also works quite well. And then there's a visual inspection of the aerial parts of the root, and the picture on the right is a amount of gunk that also floats on top of the sugar solution, but in there are the woolly aphid. The rootstock evaluation trials have been referred to. They're randomized, I'm assuming. Out there, this particular one is at Oak Valley. They're all neatly marked out. Some of the trees look particularly grim, others look okay. So there's a full range in there, and the results, and you can see the rootstock type on the left. So it's Genevas. There's a range of Genevas that we did sample, and then some Merton M9 at the bottom. Very low numbers. This is the Oak Valley trial, surprisingly low numbers. This was a summer sample. Please caution, they're not complete. We'll go back for a winter sample. Needs be a summer sample, and I suspect we will have to extend this into field as well. As noted, initial results, please be cautious. Those results are of limited value. I'm not making a call on anything. What is interesting, and it's been alluded to before, there are biotypes of woolly aphid in this country that are not in America. It's very easy for the CG for Cornell to say, okay, this thing is resistant to, but it should be within North America, not necessarily here. Our woolly aphid defeats Merton. Their woolly aphid doesn't, really. The other one is the debate about whether the trees are resistant to woolly aphid, tolerant or susceptible. I suspect we've got a range of tolerance. Additional research on mulches and cover crops I've alluded to. And just out of interest, if you're interested, there's a very neat genetic base. There are three genes involved. And that's one of the defining publications done in New Zealand, funny enough. That's it. There'll be more results further down the line. They'll come up at IPM. That, I think, concludes this session.